Hi, good morning, Rockets, 8th grade Rockets, at least for a few more days. Future Titans, this will be the last time that I come on and harass you for something. Your PGPs are in your email. We've talked about PGPs, personal graduation plans. All of you have chosen something for your classes for next year. If you didn't, this is your chance to kind of correct that. Or if you want to change something, this is your chance to do that. So your PGP, your personal graduation plan, is basically what your 9th grade year looks like, and then a possibility of what your next 4 years looks like out, okay? So you're focusing right now on your 9th grade year. Don't worry about 10th, 11th, 12th grade. That's fluid. That can change. You can change your mind. They can change it up there also at Legacy. You're looking at your 9th grade year, okay? And especially your pathway, what you chose that you want to take for the 4 years, right? So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen really quick. So let me get that going here so we can see this. Okay, so hopefully you can see my 4-year plan over here. And I'm looking this way because I got 2 screens and my camera's over here. So the 4-year plan for the 8th grade is basically this. It's in your email, okay? It might say PGP, personal graduation plan. I don't know what they put the subject line, but there's a link for it. So you're going to get this form and you're going to see all this stuff. I mean, what is that? This is what it is. So you're going to review it. You're going to have an area to sign. You're going to have an area to confirm it. And it's going to ask for parents' information also. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's a big sheet of all sorts of stuff. And I'm going to break it down for you individually. So the top portion is your information up on top. The cohort actually, instead of 2025, should say 2026 right up here in that top left corner. And it'll say for you the correct one. Your pathway will be listed right here. Everybody has defaulted to multidisciplinary, and everybody has distinguished. That's just a default. If you want to change it later on, you have the option to change it, but right now it defaults to that. Some of you may have your Algebra 1 EOC. I know you took it and you passed it, but it doesn't locate up here yet because that hasn't been transferred over to the high school as of yet, but it will be on here in the future. So next section is that middle section. This is basically what we've been talking about for a long time, 26 credits to graduate. So this is what they all are. This is what you need. And then when you filled out your choice cards online, when the Legacy counselors were here, you answered these questions. You answered, are you interested in taking dual credit? What course do you want to take? You answered those. That's why that's filled out. The bottom section is for 9th grade. That's what you're looking at. Those are the courses that you chose when you chose your electives and your courses. In the far left column where it says pre-high school, that's what you took here. So if you took algebra, Spanish, fundamentals of computer science, whatever you took, that's there. Then in 9th grade, that shows you right here what you are going to be taking in 9th grade. And like I said, 10, 11, 12, it might be blanked out, it might be grayed out over there, but that's okay. Don't worry about that. You're looking in 9th grade. If that looks like what you want and that's good, then there's a little button that says click here to make changes. Okay, so, and it's going to look, like this. So you're going to click it, and I'm going to take you to that page really quick so you see what it is. And this is how you're going to confirm it. So read through the instructions, click on next. I'm just going to put some random stuff in here because I have to put something in order to go, right? Just going to click, just going to click, just going to, I need numbers. I'm just going to click, I'm just going to click, just going to click here. So McCullough Middle School and then next, okay? So this is it. I accept it. I liked it. It's good. I'm going to accept it. Click accept. Click next. Then you're going to confirm it with your signature date, your parents' date, and submit. Okay. If you don't accept it, if you're like, I want to change to something else, you click here. I would recommend a change. Click next. Type in what you want to change. Then you click next. Right question. Then you click next, and then you sign it and submit it. So it's very simple. You can either accept it as it is, sign it, submit it, done, or you can say, no, I'd like to change this. They'll look at it, they'll see if it can be changed, sign it and submit it, done. Easy, okay? It needs to be done before you leave here. I know that the next couple of days, a lot of you are going to be on a fine arts trip. Next week, you have the 8th grade step up ceremony. There's only going to be 1 or 2 days that you're really going to have a chance to do this, but this is in your email and you have access to it online. So you can do it at home. You can do it on the bus ride to your field trip, wherever. It just needs to be done, okay? If you do have questions, let me know. I will help you with that. Other than that, we should be good to go. Let me stop the share. If you do have questions, guys, I'll help you out. You know, I always will. I'm going to miss you, you know. It's crazy. You've been here for 3 years and we went through a lot with COVID and coming back, but y'all did it and you're moving on. So good luck. I'm proud of you and always remember, once a rocket, always a rocket. Okay. Bye, guys.